Welcome you to my channel. This is Dog Mountain and this is my channel. If it's your first time visiting this channel, I urge you to go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that anytime I happen to post a video, you happen to be the first person to be alerted. So without any further ado, let's actually get into business. The core essence of me doing this video is to demonstrate how you can actually deposit money into your Binance account. Okay, so let's look for Binance and so here we go. And we have actually logged into Binance. Beautiful. So what you need to do is you click in the bottom right corner, the tab which is labeled wallets, and then if you want to deposit the money by the bank, what you need to do is you click buy. Don't click deposit to be taken elsewhere and you get jammed. Click buy, and then after clicking buy, you'll be brought here. So what you do is, of course, at the bottom they're saying P2P trading, and you'll be enticed the moment you see bank transfer, digital wallet transfer, mobile payment and more. But don't click there, because peer-to-peer involves you sending money directly by using other methods out of or outside Binance. You will kickstart everything from here, and you will be shown merchants, those people that you can buy dollars from. But you Binance is not linked to the account or the mobile money account that you send money from, the bank account. You need to do that manually on your own. So, and at the same time, there will be that other person who's the merchant will need to send you the dollars. So if you're inexperienced, I would rather you don't go by this option. So go by the first option, which reads buy with USD. You understand what I'm saying? USD. Then after you click that one, of course there'll be another window which you open up. Okay, so come on Binance, it's loading. It's loading. Okay, so you come here. So here, don't go by USDT. I know that's one option that you're used to. So don't click USDT unless you have money in a USDT wallet in a different wallet like Yellow Card, DigiFnix, OKX, Trust Wallet, Pay, MetaMask. Mention them, then you can go by the first one. But I know you would want to do this real fast and conveniently, and it's convenient when you go by the second method. So here at this stage you need to punch in the amount that you want to deposit, or the dollars that you want to deposit. Is it 58? Is it 69? So you select the second method, right? So after you've punched in the number of dollars that you want to buy, go by the payment method, which is the second method, pay with, and boom, you'll be brought here. So here there's a Visa card, but if it's your first time, you will need to enter the details here. Yeah, you've seen it saying Fiat payment. I had already actually punched in my bank card. Okay, if I want, I can hit change and then punch in all the details. For you, since it's your first time, you will need to enter it's very simple, just follow through. If they say enter the bank, don't worry, Binance is actually safe. There's high security on Binance. There's nothing that can be done without you authorizing everything. Nobody can kickstart the transactions. Nobody, because you need to connect it to an authenticator app. Then at the same time, you need to approve the login, process if someone else is actually attempting. So nobody can log into your Binance account. And boom, you buy the dollars without any inconvenience. Okay, that's how simple it is. I know this video has helped you a lot, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to share the video with as many people as you can. There's so many people who need this information in this video. I am an agent on different apps, and I know there's so many agents who've been looking forward to lay hands on this video. So don't forget to share it. Don't forget to leave a good comment in the comment section, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell, because there's so many videos along the way. So to avoid missing those videos, make sure that you turn on the notification bell, so that anytime I happen to post a video, you happen to be among a few who will be alerted that a new video has actually arrived. Thank you so much. Stay blessed.